Hey, deep divers. So have you heard about this course? It's making some serious waves over in India, and it's called India's first AI-powered software testing course with specialization on autonomous testing and self-healing software. Yeah, mouthful, I know. But trust me, this is not your typical software testing training. If you're looking to, really level up and ride the wave of the future of software testing, well, this might just be your ticket.
Oh, absolutely. This is way beyond the basics. It's all about AI-powered testing, which is really the hottest trend in the field right now. Think about it. Software that practically tests and heals itself. Like, whoa.
Right. I know. I was blown away when I saw what they're covering. It's clear they're not just teaching you how to use the tools, but how to, command the future of software testing,
Exactly. And one of the coolest things is the focus on AI agents. And we're not talking about just any old bots here. These are sophisticated programs that can learn, adapt, and carry out those complex testing tasks, all on their own.
Okay, wait, hold on. For those of us who, aren't fluent in AI speak, what exactly are these AI agents and how are they changing the game for software testing?
Great question. So imagine AI agents as super smart assistants, but for testing. They can go through massive amounts of code, pinpoint potential bugs with incredible accuracy, and even suggest fixes. It's almost like having a whole team of tireless, super efficient testers working around the clock,
Okay, yeah, that's a game changer for sure. So instead of manually digging through all that code, you could just unleash these AI agents to do the grunt work. Sign me up.
Yeah.
But I'm curious, how do they actually learn and adapt? Is it some kind of sci-fi magic?
Well, it might sound like magic, but it's actually cutting-edge tech. These agents, they use what's called machine learning algorithms, a powerful type of AI that lets them learn from data. So as they analyze more and more code and encounter different testing scenarios, they become smarter and more efficient at finding and fixing those issues.
That's wild. So they're constantly evolving and getting better at their jobs. But what about the actual tools and platforms? Does the course cover any specific ones that are particularly cool?
Oh, absolutely. This isn't just theoretical AI talk. They get into the nitty-gritty of real-world tools. You'll get hands-on experience with, industry leaders like Testim.io and Mabel, both known for their really innovative AI-powered testing capabilities.
Okay, so we're talking about the big players in AI-powered testing. That's cool. But I gotta admit, some of the terms they use, they sound a bit futuristic, sentient AI testers and self-healing software. Can you break those down for us? What do they actually mean?
Yeah, I get it. It's easy to get lost in the buzzwords, right? But these concepts, they're more than just hype. They represent a real shift in how we think about software testing. So when they say sentient AI testers, they're talking about systems that go beyond just finding bugs. They can understand the context of those bugs, the code behind them, and even suggest potential solutions.
Wait, hold up. The AI is actually suggesting how to fix the code. That's crazy.
And what about self-healing software? Does that mean the software can magically fix itself?
Well, maybe not magic, but it's pretty close. Self-healing software refers to systems that can automatically detect and correct certain types of errors without any human intervention. Tools like Advanced AI and Helenium, they're covered in the course, and they provide frameworks for building this self-healing stuff right into your software. So yeah, imagine software that can patch up minor bugs all on its own, keeping things running smoothly without you having to, lift a finger.
Okay, that is mind-blowing. Seriously. This course is really taking us into the future of software testing, it seems like. But with all this AI talk, I gotta ask, what about us humans? Is there still a role for us in this brave new world of software testing? And that's what's really cool about this course. It doesn't see AI as a replacement for human testers, but as a powerful tool to, enhance our skills and really amplify what we can do. The course is all about learning how to command these AI agents to be the ones in control, like the conductors of this technological orchestra.
Okay, that's good to hear. It's not about being replaced by robots, Fear. Yeah. It's more like becoming the maestros of AI-powered testing, right? And speaking of maestros, let's talk about the person behind this whole thing. Srinidhi Ranganathan, also known as the human AI. That's quite a title. What's his deal?
Yeah, he definitely lives up to the name. He's a total expert in AI and digital marketing, a best-selling author, sought-after speaker, you name it. And he created Sun Intelligence 3.0, this sophisticated system that controls a whole network of AI systems and robots. His expertise and his vision are really what make this course so unique.
Wow, that's impressive. So he's not just teaching theory. He's bringing like years of real-world experience to the table. I'm starting to see why this is being called India's first in AI-powered software testing. It's really pushing the boundaries. But let's get down to the practical stuff. How is the course structured? How long is it? What can people actually expect to get out of it?
So this course, it's designed to be intensive and really pack a punch, a ton of knowledge and hands-on experience, all crammed into 10 days. And it's all online, so you can, learn from anywhere in the world at your own pace.
10 days. Okay, that's pretty intense. But I guess when you're dealing with this kind of cutting-edge tech, you got to dive in deep. And yeah, online makes it accessible for anyone, anywhere. But what about the learning itself? Is it just like lectures and presentations, or is there more to it than that?
Oh, it's way more than just passive learning. It's all about hands-on experience, actually using the tools and techniques you're learning about. And get this, you'll have direct interaction with Srinidhi himself, which is an amazing opportunity to learn from one of the leading minds in AI.
Wait, you get to interact with the human AI? That's awesome. Yeah. It's like having a personal mentorship session with a tech legend. And I heard there's this really unique feature, something about live interactions with AI-powered software testers. Tell me more about that.
Oh, yeah, it's real. This course, it has this crazy feature where you get to interact live with AI-powered software testers. Like imagine actually talking to an AI tester, asking it questions, seeing how it figures things out, and getting insights right there on the spot. It's like having this super intelligent testing buddy on call.
Oh, that's next level learning for sure. I can see how valuable that would be for anyone who wants to really master AI powered testing. It's not just about the theory. You're actually seeing it in action and interacting with the tech firsthand.
Yeah, exactly. And this hands-on approach, it's like woven through the whole course. Like on day 3, you dive into extreme agile test automation. It's all about how AI can supercharge testing in agile environments. You learn how to use AI to automate all those repetitive tasks that can, bog down agile teams. So you're free to focus on the more strategic stuff.
So it's about making agile even more agile. That sounds awesome. A recipe for lightning fast software development. But how do you actually do that? What kind of tools and techniques are we talking about?
Well, the course gets into the specifics. It introduces you to tools like ChatGPT agents, Testcraft AI, and DeepSeek, all about generating dynamic test cases. So imagine creating test cases on the fly, specifically for the changes you're making in your code. That's the power of AI, right there at your fingertips.
That's amazing. It's like having an AI teammate who knows what you need before you even ask and can just create tests in real time. It's like a coding superpower or something. But what about other aspects of testing, like security and accessibility? Does the course cover that too?
Absolutely. Day 4 is all about security and accessibility testing using AI. And this is where AI really shines. AI-powered tools can analyze code way better than humans can, finding potential security holes and accessibility issues super fast and with crazy accuracy.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's like having an AI security guard constantly patrolling your code, making sure it's strong and no one can break in. And on the accessibility side, it's like having an AI advocate who's making sure everyone can use your software no matter what. So what kind of tools are used for this?
Well, you'll get to know tools like Burp Suite with AI plugins and AI-powered OWASP Piso BP for security testing, both top-of-the-line platforms. And the course really emphasizes how to bake accessibility into your software right from the start. So you're building products that everyone can actually enjoy.
That's fantastic. It sounds like this course covers it all, from agile testing to security to accessibility. But what about the future? Does it prepare you for what's next in the world of software testing? What's coming down the pipeline?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Day 6 is all about future trends in AI-powered software testing, exploring all the cool new technologies and ideas that are going to revolutionize the field. You'll delve into blockchain-based test verification, emotion-driven testing, and even hyper-personalized testing.
Whoa, hold on. Those sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Can you break those down a bit? Like, what in the world is blockchain-based test verification?
Think of it as like an unbreakable record of your testing process. Blockchain tech allows test results to be recorded on this permanent ledger, so their integrity and transparency are guaranteed no more. Wondering if tests were messed with or changed, the results are there for everyone to see forever and super secure.
Wow, that's incredible. It's like a foolproof way to make sure your tests are reliable. And what about emotion-driven testing? That one sounds super interesting.
Oh, it is. This is about using AI to simulate human emotions and reactions to software so developers can see how users might feel when they're using their products. It's about going beyond just functionality and thinking about the emotional impact of the software experience.
So we're talking about AI that can understand and predict human emotions. That's next level for sure.
Exactly. And then there's hyper-personalized testing, which is all about tailoring tests to each individual user's needs and preferences. Imagine software that changes its testing process based on who's using it, so the tests are always relevant and meaningful for that person.
It's like having a personal AI testing assistant. Okay, my mind is officially blown. This course is light years ahead of anything I've ever seen in the software testing world. It's incredible.
It's definitely pushing the boundaries, but the best part is it's not just about exploring these futuristic concepts, it's about giving you the skills to use these technologies and become a leader in this field that's changing so fast.
And that's where that whole commanding AI agents thing comes in, right? It's not just about using the tools, but knowing how to control and direct them to be the architect of your own AI-powered testing world.
Precisely. This course helps you become more than just a user of AI tools.
Yeah.
It sets you up to be a leader, an innovator, someone who can actually shape the future of software testing.
It's like you said, the difference between just driving a car and knowing how to build and modify one right.
You got it. And that deep level of understanding is what's going to make you stand out in this field that's getting more and more competitive.
Okay, so we've talked about future trends, practical applications, the whole commanding AI agents idea. But what about the actual learning experience? What can people expect during those intense 10 days?
This course is all about immersive hands-on learning. You'll be in interactive workshops, working on real-world projects, experimenting with all the latest AI-powered testing tools. Plus, you get to have live discussions with Srinidhi himself, picking his brain and getting personalized guidance from a real AI expert.
That sounds like an amazing learning environment. It's not just about sitting there and absorbing information. It's about actually doing stuff, experimenting, and getting feedback directly from one of the best in the business. And I can't forget about those live interactions with AI testers. It's such a cool opportunity to see AI in action and understand how we can make us humans even better at what we do.
It really is. And speaking of enhancing human capabilities, one of the coolest things about this course is that it focuses on personalized learning. Srinidhi knows that everyone learns differently, so he's designed the course to adapt to individual needs and learning styles.
That's fantastic. So whether you're a visual learner, a hands-on learner, or someone who loves interactive discussions, this course has something for you. It's all about creating a learning journey that's tailored to you and helps you reach your full potential.
Exactly. And even after those 10 days of intense training, you'll still get support and access to a ton of resources. You'll be part of a community of other learners, connect with industry experts, and get exclusive content and updates to keep your skills sharp.
That's amazing. So it's not just a 10-day thing. It's like a gateway into the world of AI-powered software testing with ongoing support to help you succeed. But I got to ask a practical question. How much does all of this cost?
Well, you have to remember, you're not just paying for a course, you're investing in skills that will be valuable for years to come. It's $32,000 for people in India and $900 for everyone else, and I honestly believe it's worth every penny.
I agree. Think about it. You're getting hands-on training on the hottest tech in software testing, learning from one of the world's best AI experts, and joining a community of people who are shaping the future of the field. That's a pretty sweet deal.
And don't forget the globally recognized certification you get when you finish proving your expertise as a pioneer in AI-powered software testing.
Right. That certification's a big deal. It'll open doors for you and make you stand out from the crowd.
It shows that you're dedicated and committed to being at the forefront of this technological revolution.
Okay, so we've covered a lot here, from AI agents to blockchain verification to the unique learning experience this course offers. But before we wrap up this part of our deep dive, I want to touch on Srinidhi's vision for the future of software testing. What does he see coming, and how does this course prepare you for it?
That's a great question. Srinidhi believes that AI isn't just a tool, it's a totally new way of thinking about software development. He sees a future where AI builds tests and maintains software, freeing up human developers to be more creative, innovative, and focus on the big picture.
That's a powerful vision. It's not about robots taking over. It's about humans and AI working together so we can do even more amazing things.
Exactly. And this course is all about preparing you to be a leader in that future, to be the one who commands the AI, who shapes how it develops and makes sure it's used ethically and responsibly to make the world a better place.
Wow, that's inspiring. It's not just about learning a new skill. It's about being part of something bigger, something that's changing the world.
It is. It's about joining a movement that's shaping the future of software development and pushing the limits of what humans can do.
This course is clearly more than just training. It's a doorway to a future where technology and human potential come together.
It is, and if you're ready to step into that future, to embrace the power of AI and become a leader in this exciting field, then this course is calling your name.
All right, deep divers, we've explored all the amazing things about this course, the visionary leadership of Srinidhi Ranganathan, and the transformative learning experience that's waiting for you. But there's one last question. What does all of this mean for you? How can you become a part of this AI-powered revolution in software testing? That's the big question, right? We've seen what AI can do, the potential it has for software testing. But how do you get in on that? How do you actually grab this opportunity?
That's where this course comes in. It's not just about the ideas. It's about giving you the skills and the experience you need to make it in this AI-driven world.
So it's like a bridge between the potential of AI and, where you want to go with your career.
Yeah, exactly. Imagine yourself working confidently with AI-powered testing using tools like Testim.io, Mabel, even telling those AI agents to find bugs and suggest fixes. This course gives you the steps to make that happen.
So you're not just watching the AI revolution, you're actually driving it.
Exactly. And remember, it's not about robots replacing us. It's about AI making us better, making us more efficient, giving us more time for the creative stuff in software testing.
So you become like an AI whisperer. You understand how to talk to these agents, how to guide them, and use their power to build better software.
That's a great way to put it. And this course gives you everything you need to become that whisperer. You'll learn how to set up AI agents, how to adjust them, how to point them in the right direction to meet your testing goals. It's about taking control of this powerful tech and using it to your advantage.
And that's what makes this course different, right? It's not just following steps. It's about becoming the one who designs their own AI-powered testing system.
Exactly. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding whiz or an AI expert to start. This course is for anyone who loves software testing and wants to be a part of the future.
That's great to hear. So it's about opening doors for everyone who wants to be part of this change in how we develop software.
Absolutely. And with AI skills becoming so important, this course is a smart move for anyone who wants a future-proof career.
Okay, I'm sold. This course sounds like an amazing chance to get ahead in the job market and become a leader in AI-powered software testing. But how do people actually sign up for this?
Easy. Just go to bookspots.com. That's BOOKSPOTZ.com, and it's all right there. You can see what the course covers, read what other people have said about it, even talk to Srinidhi's team if you have questions.
Awesome. And it's got to be said, having Srinidhi Ranganathan, the human AI, leading this course is a big deal. His knowledge and vision are unmatched.
Yeah, he's truly inspiring. His passion for AI and how much he wants to help others learn makes this so much more than just a course. It's a chance to learn from a true pioneer, someone who's shaping the future.
It's like getting a peek inside the mind of a tech genius, understanding how he thinks about AI and using that in your own career.
It is. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big AI innovator, the next tech leader, the next Srinidhi Ranganathan.
That's something to think about. This course isn't just about learning a new skill. It's about reaching your potential and being part of something bigger, something that's changing the world.
Exactly. It's about joining a group of people who love tech and are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in software development.
So deep divers, if you're ready to jump into the world of AI-powered software testing, head over to bookspots.com and look for India's first AI-powered software testing course with specialization on autonomous testing and self-healing software. It could be the best thing you ever do for your career.
And who knows, it might just change your life.
That's all for this deep dive. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We'll catch you next time.